Good morning students, welcome to you all 12th standard accountancy. In this video we go and discuss unit 6 retirement of partner. Okay, so what is in by retirement? So retirement means when a partner leaves from a partnership firm, it is called a retirement. So what are the reasons? So the reasons of retirement, first point of a partner may be a illness, old age, better opportunity elsewhere, disagreement with the other partners. So on retirement of partner, existing agreement comes to an end. So this is called a retirement of partner. So in this video we are going to discuss distribution of accumulated profit and the reserve and losses. So what do you mean by distribution of accumulated profit losses means profit and losses previous year which are not distributed to the partners are known as accumulated profit and reserve losses. So reserves includes general reserve or reserve fund, workmen compensation fund and investment fund, etc. As the accumulated profit and losses belong to all the partners, so they should be distributed to all the partners in the old profit sharing ratio. So in case of workmen compensation fund, the excess amount after providing for anticipated claim is to be transferred to all the partners journal entries. So first we go and discuss what is the entry of accumulated profits and the reserves. So for transferring the accumulated profits and reserves, what is the journal entry? So profit and loss appropriation account data, general reserve account data, reserve fund account data, workman compensation fund account data, investment fluctuation fund account data to all the partners capital or current account. So all the partners we share the amount in the old ratio, partners old ratio. Okay. So second one, for transferring the accumulated loss, means we have to write the journal entry all the partners capital account data to profit and loss in the old ratio. Okay. So let's see the illustration 1. Vivin, Hari and Joy are partners sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. On 31st/3/2017, Hari retired. On the date of retirement, the books of the firm showed a general reserve of 60,000. Pass the journal entry to the transfer of general reserve. So we write the journal entry, date, you know the journal entry format, date, particulars, LF, ledger folio, debit, credit. Okay, so date March 2017, 31st. March 31st, 2017. General reserve account data. General reserve account data. So general reserve profit. So profit we have to write on the debit side. So general reserve account data to all the partners. Who are the partners? Vivin. So Vivin capital account. Vivin capital account. To Hari capital account. Hari capital account. To Joy capital. Joy capital account. Okay. B general reserve. Transfer to old partners capital account. Old partners capital account. So what is the amount we are going to find out? So general reserve amount 60,000. Okay. So 60,000 we have to share. So 60,000 into what is the ratio is given 3:2:1. So 3/6. 60,000 into 2/6. 60,000 into 1/6. So we will simplify this. 1 6 are 6, Whole 6 are 6. So 30,000, 20,000, then 10,000. So for Vivian Capital amount 30,000, for Hari 20,000, for Joy 10,000. So see sum number 1. Deena, Surya and Janaki are partners sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. So 31st/3/2018. So Deena retired. On the date of retirement, the books of firm showed a reserve fund 50,000. Pass the journal entry to transfer the reserve fund. Okay, so transfer the reserve fund. So reserve fund is profit. So how to calculate the amount to share the profit to the old partners? Let's see the solution now. Particulars, LF, debit, credit. So reserve fund account data, date 31st/3/2018. Reserve fund account data to all the partners. So to Deena Capital, to Surya Capital account, Surya Capital account, then next to Janaki Capital account. Capital account. So what is the reserve fund amount? 50,000. So ratio is given 5:3:2. So 50,000 into 5/10, 50,000 into 3/10, then next 50,000 into 2/10. So we have to simplify this. 0. So 5 5s are 25, 25,000, 5 3s are 15, 15,000, 5 2s are 10,000. Okay. So for Deena amount 25,000, for Surya 15,000, for Janaki 10,000. So in this sum, who retired? Deena is retired. So the reserve fund amount transferred to all the partners, being reserve fund transferred to old partners. So second sum, Rosie and Radhi and Rani are partners of firm sharing the profit and losses equally. Radhi retired from the partnership on 1/1/2018. On that date, their balance sheet showed a accumulated loss 45,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. So give the journal entry to distribute the accumulated loss. So in this sum, accumulated loss, how to write the journal entry? Let's see. So 1/1/2018. So in this sum loss, so we have to write the partners capital account debit side. So who are the partners? Rosie capital account, Rosie capital account data, Radhi capital account data, next to Rani capital account data, Rani capital account data to profit or loss, profit and loss. So what is the amount? 45,000. 45,000. So Rosie, Radhi and Rani are sharing the profit and losses equally. Okay, equal partners. So we have to share the loss equally. So 45,000 is to share 15,000, 15,000 and 15,000. Okay. So 45,000 divided by 3. So B is accumulated loss transferred to